Hello friends, this is video journal number 2 for Jason Narvy's acting for the camera class. And yeah, so I'm just talking while giving you a brief overview of the room, which is what we're supposed to do, and then I'll get into it. Hats. But we'll get to that at the end because we saved the best for last. So first, you have my bed, which is messy. Yeah, unmade. Good job. And then over my bed, you have excessive amounts of maps. Maps. There's a map there from the world of one of my favorite groups of novels growing up. A phoenix, because I'm a nerd. A dragon, a whole bunch of things about dragons. And all of these are different species of dragons from D&D, because I'm a nerd. And this is another picture of dragons. I'm a nerd, and I actually have even more posters of dragons. Good talk. Cool. There's a door. Yep. Be excited by doors. And there's a whole bunch of laundry that I should have done this weekend. Derp. And then here's a map of Middle Earth that is very large, because as we have discovered, I am in fact a nerd. Here are things that are great courses because knowledge is awesome. Here's allergy medication and NyQuil and other medication and assorted randomness. Good job. There's a Watchmen comic book because I'm a nerd. There's a dirty closet that I have the door in front of. And then there's more knowledge, and more Matt is a nerdiness times in everyone's life. Good talk. All of the books, and that's not even all my books. I have Latin books, I have fantasy and sci-fi books, I have a number of books in anthropology and history, actually. That is something that is a hobby of mine, is collecting books on different anthropology things and stuff like that. Because in my writing, that's super helpful. Here are some hats, including a top hat and a cowboy hat, and a hat that is made... Let's look at this hat. All darkness. It's not in the darkness. Yeah, this hat. It doesn't always fit me because it's a little bit big. But this hat is like a hat that's made of patches of, like, fucking leather and shit. It's pretty rad. And I'm all about that. More hats. A crucifix, because Jesus. More hats. Actually, that's 2 hats right there. That's 2 hats right there, actually. There's one hat over another hat. And going around this real quick, that's another 2 hats, and actually over my bed. Don't worry, flowers go in blinds. That's what I found. Don't even question it. It's how normal people act in life. This is another hat, and then like lights over my bed because it's cool. Because my girlfriend got them for me because I like them, and she's rad. And then there's hats. Yeah, let's get all the angle. My fucking awesome hat rack. Fortunately, the lighting in my room sucks, but I have a hat rack that's awesome that a friend of the family got me because she has too much money. And hat racks that are really nice like this cost way too much money. But she got it for me because she's super generous and wonderful. So thank you for that. And then yeah, super rad hats. And then there's just a mess on the ground. Good job. Oh, and then there's like, my carpet looks like a map kind of, because as we've discovered through this entire process, I'm way a nerd. And then there's a whole bunch of just food and crap like that. Because I keep a lot of my dry storage food here because we don't have a pantry in our house. There's my toiletry bag, so that's exciting. There's an iron when I wear nice collared shirts. There's a thing for Keurig that I haven't opened up. There's my Bible and other books and stuff. And then, like, Santa stuff, because my girlfriend and I ran the Santa Hustle, which was super fun. So yeah, that's my room. Those are my hats. This is the important thing. Hats and knowledge. Hats, nerdiness, knowledge. Hats. Good talk.